it was a taster session for the CAT to see whether they would like to come and join the Centre of Advanced Training, and if they do, then they get to attend an open day which gives a further insight into what we do at the Lowry. So we did an hour-long technique class, a bit of a discussion, and then they did a creative activity. So they created their own dances, became choreographers for another hour. Did really well, and they're a fantastic group of dancers that train really well. They've got a great dance facility here at the school, so yeah, it's all looking good.
I like creating new movements and choreographing different than normal.